Hi guys, this is Bucking Fans. Today I want to show you a Lady Dior bag. No further ado, let's go to review this bag. And what I show you is a white original box. Okay. And then the bag is inside here, and at the first we can see a leather strap, a long leather strap. It's focus on this strap. It's a whole black leather. Stitching is black, and the hardware, the buckle is black, matte black hardware. Long strap, and and some letters here. These letters, you can put this letter pins on the strap. Many letters for you, and a car, and a book. Okay, let's get it back. Okay. It's 20 centimeters black lumber skin. Nice hand craft. The stitching is very beautiful and tidy and very clean. Look at the another side. And the bottom. Check the handle. Take off this small bag. This is a top tire bag in the market. This open the flap. Okay, it's a sweat material interior. Okay, tear off this. It's on a zip, very smooth. I'm not sure you can see the inside or not. Okay, this is a top Lady Dior bag. If you interested any about the Dior bag, don't forget to follow my account and my Instagram, and you can inquire me anything. See you.